little tutorial on how to make Barber. So here are all of the pieces you need right here. So first we are going to start with the base. First get this piece. Remember, we're going to need that for later. Add these two. Add these two pieces to the bottom. Now you're going to add these two little 1x1 beige pieces right here. They have to be in the front. They'll be in the front of the box. I might have missed it. So next we get the wheels. Wheels are going to be easy. Wheels, you just add these wheels on. Make sure this side is the one you see. So now, there you go. There's the shell. Now you're going to make the long part that flats the other box. But wait. You're going to need these little studs. So we are going to put the red one. We're going to put the red one right there. I'm going to put them on the bottom of those 1x1 beige pieces. They're mostly for looks, but I added them so it's just in case if it's like flippers that at the flipper are like very tiny on. It'll probably probably won't work. So there you go. There's the base now. So there's the base.
Alright, so that's this year $26.79.
Next is the long part that flats, of course. Now you're gonna get out this longy piece and attach these two 4x4 plates. This is actually a knockoff. This is actually from a knockoff Lego company, which means if you don't have it, you're probably gonna have to use like some other color or something. You're probably gonna have to like get like a knockoff set for this piece probably. So now we're going to recreate the famous. Now we're going to have to recreate the famous Barber stripes. So we're just going to put white there, barbecue color right there, white right there, barbecue color right there, and another barbecue color for the front. Now attach this to the main base in this direction. Now the front looks actually like Barber, but it doesn't have its flagging tip. To do that, I'm gonna need these pieces. This one might be enough. This little piece might be a knockoff. So, a lot of knockoff pieces. So technically, Barber is a legal bot. So we're gonna put this. So we're gonna start by laying down two white pieces. these little white pieces with a little fanny on them, like a. Wait, they're like a. I think they're like a. I forgot what they're called. So we're gonna put that one right there. This one right here. That one right there. It's supposed to be like. It's like details supposed to look like a grill or something. And then we have the beauty, the tip, and that's it. You made your own barber. Now we're going to test power. This is always so fun to bring out the computer test. This is always so fun to bring out the computer test box. I never bring it out. Like, I seriously never. Right here. This is actually going to be the original arena. I'm going to get a Soul Buster. Alright, new robot. Right. Barber can seriously. It can do that. The tip came off. So, that was how you make barber. See you again. And if this video actually gets like 5 or like 2 likes, yeah, 2 likes, and I will make a tutorial for my dad's favorite robot. More cheese, please. See you then. Bye.